It was telling me that there was no hope of escape and return to was only going to lead to a mere painful death. Get out of my head, I randomly shouted. The whole room looked at me concerned, and my vision became dark. I could feel myself fall onto my knees, but the noises in the room became muffled as was forced to watch through the mind of Ines Octopoda. She planned he would think from the moment that we sent choose for naval soldiers down there, she had already formulated a plan. She knew what kind of weapons we had stored of the vessels, and she was afraid of a moment of damage it would cause to both her and the gods, a signal to protect him. She allowed them to get within range and the gods attacked. She told them to just surrender a few samples of their flesh. The gods looked to her in confusion and anger. The screeching we heard earlier from when missiles hit their assigned targets was from pain. She was yelling at them to just do as she commanded or suffer her father froze. They seemed scared by this and faked their injuries. In other words, he was right. Grabbing those two samples was too easy, and we walked right into it. I tried to regain my consciousness as I could feel liquid tar fall from my nose out of both nostrils. I could also feel my ears roll in the back of my head. If I was experiencing any pain, I didn't feel it. The tissue samples from the flatworm creature or other gods, as she called them, had some one kind infection spores that attacked the nervous system of the infected host. She showed me how it had infected Dr. Carmen. I don't know how she was able to show me any of this, but I continued to let her show me in hopes of finding some sort of weakness. And think to take this evil cunning creature down. Poor Dr. Carmen had apparently started to lose control sometime between December 9th and December 15th, but was somehow able to hide it from the rest of us. He was feeding on the brains of a few MPS at a time to do this smooth volt control until this test formed into black sharp fangs that broke into the skull is easy as green gun as is Joe angled enough to fit on the victim's skull. He then sucked on them the second pair of jaws in his throat, chewed and swallowed for him. It was horrific, and I could feel my heart particularly beating out of my chest because of it. My felt close to the edge of breaking. I tried to scream and to fight, but I couldn't. I was shut down against my will as I had to watch this new creature that was once my dear friend Dr. Carmen and butcher everyone in the lab. He had from the tissue samples that took place of his victims. Somehow they were able to mimic victims to the later. I was horrified by this world, honestly impressed.